Today, I'm going to show you how to create this stunning animation for a cupcake-themed presentation using Canva. Step by step. First, open Canva and click on the video format. Choose the resolution that works best for your project. Start by clicking on the background and change the color to black for a bold contrast. Next, go to Elements, scroll down to Shapes, and select a circle. Change it to any color you like. This is part of your design style. Then add 3 more circles, customize their colors, resize them, and place them randomly across the canvas to create a playful background. Back in Elements, select a square shape, resize it, and place it in the center of your design. Change the color to a dark gray to help balance the layout. Open the Layers panel, and you'll see all the circles and the square stacked together. Now add more circles if you like. Feel free to experiment with size and color to build a vibrant, eye-catching design. On a new page, drag in your first image, ideally with a transparent area for creative layering. Add a square on top. Set the transparency to 0. Select both elements, group them, cut the group, and paste it back onto your first page. Adjust the size of the image so it fits your layout. Now let's add some text. Start with the name of your item. Let's say cupcake. Change the font to Zoom Rough Bold or any bold style you prefer. Make the text white, and stretch the text box handles a bit to create transparent padding on each side. This helps with layering later. Add a secondary text element. Let's say caramel. Change its font and color, and use the handles again to create that same transparent buffer. Add one more text element. Make it bigger, choose a new font, and then go to Effects, select Hollow, and decrease the thickness to 1. Lower the transparency just enough so the text blends into the background. Now let's move on to the second image. Go to the next page, and add your next image. Repeat the same steps. Add a transparent square on top, group them, cut and paste into the first page, resize and drag it into position. Make sure that the transparent section remains inside the workspace. Add your new text for this second image, and repeat the formatting. Font color, transparent padding, and hollow effect, and lower the transparency just like before. Arrange all your text elements properly, positioning each one to the left, right, or top depending on your layout. Again, make sure to align them inside the canvas and check everything in the Layers panel to keep the order consistent. Open the Layers panel, and arrange everything properly. Image first, then titles, and finally the transparent text elements. Now it's time to bring this to life with animation. Duplicate your first page. On the second page, drag the new image down slightly, so the transparent area is still visible. Move the text elements to new positions, maybe to the left or right. Then go ahead and move the circles around randomly to introduce motion. Duplicate again for page 3 and repeat the movement. Drag the image down, shift the text left and right, and scatter the circles again to create a sense of flow. Repeat this process for a final 4th page. Reposition everything slightly. Move your circles again to give each page its own feel while maintaining continuity. Finally, it's time to animate your sequence. Click on Transitions, select Match and Move, increase the duration, and apply it between all pages. And feel free to adjust the timing of each page too. And that's it. You've now created a stylish animated presentation in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.